Grapevines are perennial climbing plants that belong to the genus Vitis. They are woody vines that grow by using tendrils to attach themselves to supports such as trellises, fences, or trees. Grapevines are widely cultivated around the world for their fruit, grapes, which are used for eating fresh, making juice, raisins, jam, and wine. These plants can live for many decades, and some vineyards have grapevines that are over 100 years old. Physical structure of grapevines. A grapevine consists of several main parts: roots, trunk, canes, leaves, tendrils, and fruit clusters. The roots grow deep into the soil to absorb water and nutrients. The trunk is the main woody stem that supports the plant. Canes grow from the trunk and produce leaves and fruit. Leaves are usually large, green, and lobed, helping the plant carry out photosynthesis. Tendrils are thin curling structures that help the vine climb and stay stable. The fruit grows in clusters, commonly called bunches. Growth habit and climbing nature. Grapevines are natural climbers. In the wild, they climb trees or other supports to reach sunlight. In cultivation, farmers use trellis systems to guide their growth. This climbing habit helps maximize sunlight exposure, which is essential for fruit development. Without proper support, grapevines may spread on the ground, leading to poor fruit quality and increased risk of disease. Types of grapevines. There are many types of grapevines, but they are mainly grouped into three categories: table grapes, wine grapes, and raisin grapes. Table grapes are eaten fresh and are usually large, sweet, and seedless. Wine grapes are smaller, with thicker skins and higher sugar content, which makes them suitable for fermentation. Raisin grapes are specially grown to dry easily and produce sweet dried fruits. Climate and growing conditions. Grapevines grow best in temperate climates with warm summers and mild winters. They need plenty of sunlight, well-drained soil, and moderate rainfall. Too much water can damage roots and cause diseases, while too little water can reduce fruit production. Grapevines are surprisingly hardy and can adapt to different soil types, but they perform best in slightly sandy or loamy soil. Flowering and fruit development. Grapevines produce small greenish flowers in spring. These flowers are usually self-pollinating, meaning they do not require insects or wind to transfer pollen. After pollination, the flowers develop into tiny grapes that gradually grow larger and change color as they ripen. Depending on the variety, grapes may turn green, red, purple, or black when mature. Importance of pruning. Pruning is an essential practice in grapevine cultivation. Farmers cut back old canes during the dormant season to control plant shape and encourage healthy new growth. Proper pruning increases fruit quality, improves air circulation, and reduces the risk of diseases. Without pruning, vines can become tangled and produce smaller, poorer quality grapes. Uses of grapevines. Grapevines are valuable because nearly every part has a use. Grapes are eaten fresh or processed into juice, wine, vinegar, and dried raisins. Leaves are used in cooking in some cultures, especially in Mediterranean dishes. Even grape seeds are used to produce oil for cooking and skincare products. Lifespan and productivity. Grapevines are long-living plants. A healthy vine can produce grapes for 50 to 100 years or more. However, productivity depends on proper care, climate, and soil conditions. Young vines usually start producing fruit within 2 to 3 years after planting, but they reach peak productivity after about 5 to 7 years. Environmental benefits. Grapevines help improve soil stability by preventing erosion through their deep root systems. They also provide habitat for insects and birds. Additionally, vineyards can contribute to maintaining green landscapes and supporting biodiversity. In summary, grapevine plants are hardy, climbing perennials valued for their delicious fruit, economic importance, and long lifespan. They require sunlight, support structures, and regular care to produce high-quality grapes and remain productive for many decades.